Hi everyone, welcome to Yamchan food. Today, I'm gonna make okonomiyaki, which is like a Japanese style of pizza containing a variety of ingredients such as cabbage, pork, Sujikon, and seafood. Okonomiyaki is an iconic food of Osaka. There are some ways of making it, but my okonomiyaki grown in Kobe is easy and quick to make. Okonomi means what you like. So, basically, you can make it with your favorite toppings such as beef, cheese, bacon, and so on. In this recipe, the batter is mixed with cabbage and eggs, and pork or any seafood, whatever you like, are placed on top and cooked. The outside of this okonomiyaki has a crispy texture, not like a fluffy one. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients. Check the description box down below for homemade okonomiyaki sauce recipe. First, roughly chop the cabbage like this. Grate the Japanese mountain yam. You can substitute yam powder instead of Japanese mountain yam. Put the flour in a bowl. Add dashi. Put Japanese mountain yam. Put baking powder. Mix it. Add eggs and mix it well. Just adding a bit of Japanese yam and it will become sticky like this. Leave the butter in the fridge until you cook. Clean the squid and cut into small pieces. Carefully remove the squid ink sac so as not to break it. Peel the squid. It's quite slimy, but easy to do it without slipping with kitchen paper. Next, clean the shrimps, stripping the shell off the shrimps. Remove the digestive tract from the back of the shrimp and cut it like this. Put a little more than 1 scoop of butter with the ladle into a bowl. Put about a handful of cabbage. If you want to make a big one, add more butter and cabbage. Turn on over medium heat and greasing up the frying pan. Put the mixture into the frying pan and making a round shape. Sprinkle Bonito powder. Add some green onion on top of it. Add some bits of fried tempura butter on top of it. Sauté the pork a little bit and place it onto the mixture. When the bottom turns brown, add a bit of mixture on the meat and flip it over. Fry for a further couple of minutes until it's cooked through. Flip it over again and wait for a little bit. Apply the sauce on the okonomiyaki you made and put some mayonnaise. You can decorate it like this. Sprinkle Aonori and Bonito flakes. It's done. Next, I will make okonomiyaki with seafood. Basically, do the same things. Shrimp and squid. Completion of seafood okonomiyaki. Do the same things again. Make sure that you leave a little amount of butter to add on top of the meat. Sujikon. Use all the butter left at the end. Oops. It scatters a lot, but it's okay. Immediately put the scattered Sujikon inside. It's supposed to be round shape, but it's become a square. Completion of Sujikon okonomiyaki. I'm gonna make a lot of okonomiyaki for dinner. Okonomiyaki can be cooked on an electric griddle in the household like this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!